This is me, Srikas. This is my sister, Rania. Today, we're gonna do a rainbow experiment. So, here's the things that we need for this experiment. First, put 4 glasses, then fill them up with water. There. Now, we fill up to this line. So next, you need to add these colors. I'm gonna add purple. Add it in here. So, you need to add purple. The next color is you need to add blue. There, I added blue. Next, yellow. Next, we need to add the final color. It's red. There, the red. The water wash or paint colors, not food colors. Next, first, I need to mix the purple glass. It's all purple.
Yeah.
Next, you need to mix blue. Next is yellow. And the final color is red. So I think this is enough mixed. Now we filled up. Now we color these water. Now we need to add 3 cups in the middle of them. Next, totally we have 7 cups. Now we have 7 tissue papers. Now we need to fold them. Fold, fold, and fold. And the same thing to do in the picture too. We folded all these papers. Now we need to put each of them like this. These are the empty glasses, and these are the glasses that they're filled.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, you'll see what happens tomorrow. You need to wait for a few hours, and tomorrow you'll see what happens. Hello guys, I'm back again. It's another day, and look what happened today. Let's test it. So, red and yellow is made orange. Red, then this tissue goes up and got to here, and yellow got you here, makes this orange. If you mix up yellow and blue pink color, it makes green if you do that.
If you mix yellow and blue, it became green color.
And if we mix blue and purple, this looks like blue violet. Isn't it? Looks like a rainbow. It does look to me. So we made it like this. Now let's try to take off the tissues and see. You're removing one paper. I take the one paper. Now I squeeze it. Hey! If I mix red and yellow, maybe orange and
That's enough, Vanilla. She has that enough.
white tissue paper. Now today, then it become like this. This experiment is so easy. You should try too if you can. If you don't have colors, if you doesn't have paint, if you have food coloring, you can also.
Yeah. Do you enjoyed with this experiment? Vanilla.
Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.